Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. Modelones have very kindly sent me two amazing looking gel polish sets. In this video I'll only be swatching one of them and I'll be doing the second in another video. In the description box below you can find the link to the Modelones website, and they have also very kindly given me a 10% discount code which is also there too. So a big thank you to Modelones for sending me these beautiful looking sets. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on, and please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. So here are the two sets. I absolutely love Modelones boxes. They are just amazing, so sleek and stylish, great for a present to someone or yourself. So I have Santa's Day and each set has 7 gel polishes. All of the names are on the back. They are UV and LED curable, they're easy application and soak off, and they are 10ml bottles, and the bottles are very unique. I then have Glitter Party. The information is the same apart from the names of the gel polish, and Glitter Party will be featured in another video next week, so I'll be swatching Santa's Day in this one. As I said, I love the packaging. I do already have the smoothie collection and that is actually still in its box. They're absolutely fabulous. There are 7 Christmas named gel polishes, which we have 3 glitters and 4 creams. Now inside Santa's Day there is a lovely red envelope, which inside there is 2 sheets of stickers, and there's some really cool designs like snowmen, Christmas trees, reindeers, flowers, baubles. Now when I first saw these I actually thought they were water decals, but once I started using them I was like, oh no, they're stickers. So these are the bottles, and again they are just great. I've never seen bottles like them. So each bottle has its own little cutout, which makes the bottles very snugly fitted inside. It really shows that a lot of time, effort and quality has been put into these boxes. Each bottle has a barcode on the bottom along with the colour and name tag on the side, and there is also some information on the back of the bottle as well. So I'll show each gel polish, and I'll start with Edelweiss, and this is a beautiful creamy white. Modelones gel polishes are quite thick in consistency, but ever since I tried the smoothie collection I've wanted to try white from them. Next we have Jingle Bell, and this is a glittery gold gel polish and it's a fine glitter. I've not tried a glitter gel from Modelones, so I am really excited to try these out. Next we have Shiny Snowflake, and this is a clear base glitter gel. There is fine iridescent glitter along with some bigger holographic glitter as well. This is so twinkly in person, it's absolutely gorgeous. This is going to be great as a topper or even built up in thin layers. Next we have Gift Socks, which is a beautiful red, and the red has a very fine red glitter running through it. This is going to be amazing for Christmas nails, and for me, very popular. Next we have Santa Claus, and this is a vibrant red cream gel polish. You could very easily team this with Gift Socks, Jingle Bells, or just on its own. I love a good red, and I have a feeling this could be quite popular as well with me. Next we have Santa's Mousse, and this is a brown. I'm going to be honest, like I always am, I don't like this colour. I'm not a huge fan of browns, and this is definitely a required taste, but good for autumn nails though. And then finally we have Christmas Tree, and this is a gorgeous green. I sort of want to say that it's either what you'd class as a British racing green or a dark forest green sort of colour. I have a lot of greens but nothing like this, so I'm super excited to try this out. Now that all the gel polishes are out of the box, you can really see the cutout sections much better. And the material is, I want to call it sort of like a crushed velvet sort of feeling, but it is really nice though. So 7 beautiful colours that I'll be swatching onto pop sticks on camera, but I have also applied each colour to my nails, and I've done some sort of nail art over each colour as well. I'll be doing swatches both matte and glossy as well, as that's how I like to see them. Now I don't have Modelones top coats, so I just pulled these two out of my drawer storage. You won't see me use these, but all of the swatches are finished by these top coats. So let's get swatching. I'm going to start with Edelweiss, and I'll apply my first coat and I'll cure that in my lamp for 60 seconds. I'll then apply my second coat and I'll cure that again. Now with Modelones gel polishes, as I've had time to sort of get used to them, I won't cure them for anything less than 60 seconds in my lamp. Because they are really thick and very pigmented, I just want to make sure that they are fully cured. I have to say, I'm very impressed with Edelweiss. 2 coats looks really good, and a white is a great base for any sort of nail art. So as I said, I have applied each colour to my nails, and on this the numbers of coats is a little different. So the thumb is 3 coats and the rest of the nails are 2 coats. To be fair, 3 wasn't needed if you're adding nail art over the top. And Edelweiss looks good matte or glossy, looks stunning. So I've added some nail stamping over Edelweiss. Now not every colour is what I would call winter inspired, but I've wanted to use this image for a while, and the blue over the white looks amazing. So happy with this. Moving on to Jingle Bell, and I'm just going to repeat the same again. This gel polish sort of reminds me of the platinum gels that I've seen from other companies. They are fantastic to have in a collection, and they really do add something different to a mani. You could even add some raw chunky glitter over the top. It's something I really want to try now. You could also just add Jingle Bell over the top of a gold gel polish too, if you don't want too much of a chunky nail. So I've applied this to my nails, and this is just 2 coats on each nail. Now I know that you don't really turn sparkly glitter matte, but it can work with some of them, and I really like this, but it is very sparkly as well, being glossy. Again, I've added some stamping, and I went with the classic black and gold mani. This mani is in an upcoming video, so stay tuned for that, but I really like this. Great for a Christmas event. Next we have Shiny Snowflake. Now with this gel polish, I'm going to do 2 coats over the plain white pop stick to show you how this builds up, but I'm also going to be applying a layer as a topper over this red as well. With this glitter gel polish, I'm sort of pushing and pulling the glitter around. I want the glitter parts to look good when it's finished, not just sort of placed and left. So a good coverage of the glitter. You can see I'm using the brush to move them about. You could even use a dotting tool or a silicone tool as well. This glitter is just beautiful though. It's so hollow. It really does add something extra to a colour. So I didn't do a swatch of Shiny Snowflake. Instead I went straight in and did a mani for this gel polish. So I used a gel polish called Blueberry Raspberry from the Smoothie collection from Modelones, and I added Shiny Snowflake as well. I've also used some of the stickers from one of the sheets from the red envelope. I know this isn't a winter mani, but it looks fantastic. I was so pleased with how this came out, and I love the glitter fade and swoosh as well. So very beautiful. Next we have gift socks. Now I have been asked how I get on with the lids. Do they get in the way? Now what I will say is they are very unusual. But because I've had the Smoothie collection for a few months, I've sort of got used to them now. But to start with, they do feel very strange in my hand. It would be good if they made them removable and have smaller lids underneath, as I wouldn't want to lose the uniqueness of them. I know with gift socks it's going to be a well-used colour in December, so the swatches on my nails are very different. I did 3 coats over the thumb. Over the ring finger I added a layer of Santa Claus first, which you'll see next, and then I added gift socks, and then the rest are just 2 coats. For me personally, I would either go in with 3 coats or over Santa Claus. I just found they looked better. So again, I've added some stamping, another classic colour combo, a red and gold. And I went with a sweater mani design. I love sweater manis, I adore this one. You can just see the glitter coming through. I will say from just the colour swatch, I'm not a fan of it matte. Next we have Santa Claus. With this collection I've had no problems with curing, as I've had time with the first collection. I've also had no heat spikes either, which is great. The Model 1 gel polishes are really nice to use. I really need to make some more manis using them. I would personally use these colours all year round, as that's the type of person I am, and Santa Claus will make some fab Valentine manis as well as Christmas manis. Having a good red in your collection is a staple for me, and I have quite a few, but this one I think will be a favourite. So the swatches on my nails, again the thumb is 3 coats and the rest are 2 coats. I'm going to be honest, I don't know which one I would go for. I like the 2 coats, but I also like the 3 coats. And whether you go matte or glossy, it's just going to make a great base for any nail art as well. So with the stamping over Santa Claus, I went for a plaid design. I saw someone on Instagram do one, but in different colours, and I thought it would look amazing. And personally, I think it really does. I do like this. And I think it would also look good matte as well from the glossy, but it is gorgeous. Moving on to Santa's Mousse. Now, as I said, I'm not a huge user of browns, but I was talking to a nail tech friend of mine and she said she'd had a lot of clients who would use this colour. So even though I personally don't like it, this colour is a good colour to have in a collection. Even if it's just for nail art, as this shade I don't think really sits well against my skin tone. I did really struggle to find a stamping polish that would work against it, so I've had to buy a really dark brown stamping polish. Now for the swatches on my nails, this is just flat out 2 coats on each nails. It was fully opaque in them 2 coats, so I didn't see the point of applying a third for me. I definitely prefer it matte. I think it just looks better than the glossy, but that's just me. So for the stamping, again, this plate is featuring in an upcoming video, but again I went with a sweater design. Hopefully you can see the stamping. I definitely want to try Santa's Mousse again once my new colour arrives. And finally, Christmas tree, which I have to say I'm super excited about. This is a fabulous colour and I want to try all of my different green stamping polishes to see which ones will work over the top. I've already found one. I personally love wearing greens, normally more on the minty greens, but I also love dark colours as well. So I want to see what winter designs I can use with Christmas tree. It is an amazing colour, and I think if I had to pick a favourite out of the collection, Christmas tree would be it. So for the swatches on my nails, again, it's just 2 full coats to be completely opaque, which is great, and it works well whether it's matte or glossy, but I think I'm leaning more towards the glossy. So for the stamping over Christmas tree, I went with a marble. Everyone loves a good marble nail, especially me. And I just used a light green, which over Christmas tree looks fantastic. I personally love Santa's Day gel polish collection from Modelones. They have been so easy to use and look fabulous. Make sure you check out Modelones on social media. There should be links in the description box, along with the website and my discount code. Next week I'll be bringing you Glitter Party. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the manis and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I would really appreciate it. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Modelones Santa's Day gel polish set. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, thanks for watching and bye.